morning everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today is the Tuesday after Memorial Day weekend, so it's giving very much Monday vibes, but I figured I would start a new vlog because I haven't vlogged in a hot minute. I slept like 9.5 hours last night. Well, my Fitbit said it was 9.5 hours, but I know I went to bed at 11 and I woke up at 9:30, so like it only counts the times that you were actually asleep and not the times that you were awake, so it's technically more than that. So I'm feeling like in a way really well rested, but in a way still like overtired, if that makes sense. I didn't end up going to the gym yesterday because I was tired. We ended up having like a little Sunday fun day, and so then on Monday, yesterday, Frankie and I just took it slow. Like, well, he went to the gym, but I just like had a slow morning with Dinky and had coffee and made a breakfast sandwich, and then we went on like a really long walk. We went to the grocery store, we went to Pavilions. I love the Pavilions that's close to us. It's like so nice. It just feels like it's like better than Whole Foods in my opinion. And then we made homemade chicken tenders and sweet potato fries, and just had like a cute movie night and watched the Goonies, and it was really nice. So we had like the best little day yesterday, but today I'm ready to get back on track with like feeling productive and working and all of that jazz. Last week I had quite a busy week with modeling, which I'm not complaining, it was great. I worked almost every single day last week, which is awesome. And I did have to like do a little bit of traveling to work. I had to go to San Diego and sleep over in a hotel and all of that, and then I had to work the next day, so like I just have been like a little bit tired. Before signing to my new agency, I think I was more used to just doing my influencer work for 90% of the time and then having like, you know, a few sporadic modeling jobs. And I mean, like I said, this has been great. And it's so funny because, you know, when I'm sitting at home and I'm like working from home, the grass is always greener. You always think like, oh, like, you know, I wish I was on set today. Like I wish I was staying busy. I'm kind of bored, you know? Like sometimes when you're working from home, you're like, oh, like I'm just cooped up in my house. But then when you're working on set, you're like, wow, like I do take for granted sometimes all the times that I can work from home. It's always like that. But, you know, I'm grateful to have both. I'm grateful to be able to have multiple streams of income and have like every part of my job be so fun and different and exciting. So it is still crazy that this is my job. But anyways, I am gonna go to the gym in a few. I just woke up, had coffee, and journaled. And then I'm gonna get back, get ready, and see where the day takes me. Here's my little gym outfit. I'm wearing this bra from Ect Apparel, and then these are old Lululemon leggings. They're kind of big, but it's only because the band is stretched out. The band is kind of stretched out, but I still love them. And then I'm wearing my like sweatband just because I'm going to just go on the elliptical, do some abs, and I feel like I barely ever wear it anymore, but I do love it when I feel like I have a little bit of water retention. It just helps kind of like have your belly sweat. People used to ask me when I would wear it like religiously to the gym, being like, oh my god, does that help you lose weight or shrink your waist? No babe, it's literally like a sauna for your stomach. I didn't even put the gel on. I usually rarely do because I always forget. It just helps with a little bit of water retention. It's like one of the, you know those what's it called, those sauna blankets that people use and stuff. Like it doesn't make you lose weight, it just like helps you sweat out water, if anything. Yeah, I like it because I like to sweat. That's all. Kind of love an all black moment. Also, side note, I ordered an Oura ring because I've been wearing my Fitbit for so many years, and I decided it was finally time to bite the bullet. I love to track my sleep and my steps and everything. I think it's so fun, and it's just a good way to make like even mundane activities like cleaning the house or walking the dog or anything feel like, you know, exercise. And it's great. It's a great way for me to not ever like, I used to feel guilty like back in the past if I would like miss a workout or whatever. And now I'm like, it makes you realize how actually active you are throughout the day, and that like, oh my god, I barely did anything. I didn't even like actually try to work out or do any exercise, and I still got 10,000 steps. Like it's crazy. So, and then you realize you're like, oh my god, like I actually am a very active person. So it's just nice, and it makes, like I said, any activity. Oh my god, the freaking construction outside of my house. I don't even know if that made a difference, but I closed the door. I kind of have a better understanding of my activity level throughout the day and my sleep. The thing about the sleep I love as well. So I bought the Oura ring, and that's just like the ring that goes on your finger. I bought the gold one, so it's cute. You never have to take it off. My one qualm with the Fitbit, as much as I love it, is that it's a clunky black band that I don't always love to wear unless it's like an athletic outfit, and even then I'm like, it's just not like cute. Like it's fine, but it's not cute. So I'm gonna give this, I've had this, well, I've had a few of them to be honest. Like I've lost some of them. Which with all the amount of replacements that I bought at this point, I probably could have just bought the Oura ring, but you know, whatever, story for another time. Frankie got me this for Christmas like 2 or 3 years ago. And so I've been wearing the same Fitbit, not the same one, but I've been wearing a Fitbit for like 2 or 3 years. And I finally figured, I'm like, look, this is something I actually use and I enjoy, so why don't I just get the ring? So I bought the ring, and then it's cool too, because like when you're at work, I always found it so interesting. I'm like, when I'm at work, I wonder how many steps I do, like, because I obviously can't wear this when I'm modeling, and I'm like, if I keep the ring on, I wonder how many steps I'm doing. I feel like it's a lot, like back and forth, changing, posing, all that. Just would be interesting to know. Like, I just love that kind of stuff. So yeah, bought that, and I'm excited for it to come in. I got it like a couple days ago. So yeah, I think I'm gonna give my Fitbit to Frankie, because he's been kind of getting more into like going on walks with me and like all of that, and so I think it would be cool for him to have a Fitbit too and track his sleep as well, because he has like terrible sleep. But anyways, I think I'm gonna make a snack before the gym because I'm getting kind of hungry, and then I'm gonna go head down to the gym. Sometimes I eat before my workout, and sometimes I don't feel like it because I'm not hungry, so just kind of listen to my body. Right now I'm feeling a little bit peckish, so I think I'm gonna make some toast. So I just finished up my workout. I did 40 minutes on the elliptical, and then a little bit of abs, arms, and legs. Nothing crazy, literally like another 10 minutes. Now I'm just on a walk with the little boy, usual. And then I'm gonna go upstairs, shower, get ready. I have to take some digitals, and I think I'm gonna make a smoothie because I've really been craving one, and get on with my day. Alrighty guys, I just got dressed. I finished taking my digitals. I made a smoothie. I have some errands to run, and I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. It's really cute. It's this like 2-piece short and long, what's this called? Shirt button-down set. It's from Revolve. It's really cute, so I'm gonna show you. So here is the fit. It's kind of like glamorized pajamas. I'm wearing this top. I believe this is from Talentless. And then I just have on the shorts, this button down. I was gonna do just the button down and the shorts and kind of leave it tucked like that, but then it's so hot outside that I figured I kind of want to have a tank top moment. And then I'm wearing these shoes. These are just Reeboks, and I thought this was cute with the vibe. And then I have my purse. This is like a vintage Chanel, and it actually matches the outfit really well. So that's that. I put in some earrings and a ring, and I thought it was cute. I just bought these glasses at Ray-Ban. They actually look a lot like these Bottegas that I wanted, but I feel like the price was really good. They were like $160 something compared to other designer sunglasses, which are like in the 300s most of the time. I felt like under 200 for a good pair is really great. I love Ray-Bans. I feel like they're just classic, like beachy girl, American girl vibes, you know? So I like them. I thought they were cute, and they're like simple for summer where I can wear them with like a put together outfit, or I could throw these on for the beach. So I think these are cute. Oh my god, you guys, I did a little more shopping than I had anticipated. I spent way too much money. It's okay. It is what it is. I did get $10 off my deodorant though, so it was only $6. The Sol de Janeiro, like the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream company. I really love their deodorant, it's so nice. So got that for $6. Okay guys, so I'm back to Melrose Place. My camera's like not focusing on my face, which is bizarre. I wanted to pop into a few stores. There's this bag at Stod that I really wanted to look at, that I saw online. I thought it was cute, but it looks extremely small. I want like a small bag, but I can't tell if it's like really freaking tiny. I'm like straight up in the middle of the road, but oh well. I want to show you guys the sunglasses I got. I was actually cut short from my retail therapy because I was about to buy a bag at Stod, but they only had the red and the black. I showed you guys the like little mini bag. She said she's gonna call me in case they get it in, but I did see it on Neiman Marcus, so I might just order it. And then these are the sunglasses I got. I really like them. Like I said, they remind me of a pair of Bottegas that I've been wanting, and I just really like them. I think they're super clean and simple, and oh my god, my closet in the background is gonna drive me nuts, but they're really cute, perfect for summer. I feel like you can wear these really like chill with just a beachy outfit, or you can kind of dress them up and wear more of like a chic put together outfit with them as well. So I love these. I think they're so effing cute. Okay, I got these white linen shorts from Aritzia. They're just like a crepey kind of like loose material. I got them oversized. I got them in a large because I thought they would just be like super comfy, cute, like very similar vibe to what I'm wearing today, my same shorts, the ones that I was wearing, the printed ones from Revolve, but obviously just this white, really nice soft material. I just feel like for the summer these are the best vibe. I could wear these to work, I could wear these just to hang, get some lunch with friends. Okay, next I got this little fit from Brandy Melville. I can't really see the shorts. I'm trying to make it so you can see what I'm wearing. Okay, this is the full fit, super cute, just these like little casual shorts. I'm really in this like baggy, like oversized, kind of chill, not like super flattering short vibe. And then this is just like a big comfy summer sweater. I just love it. It's giving New England girls summer, and I'm here for it. Very much here for it. I also got a little scrunchie from there because I thought it was cute, so that too. Then I got my deodorant. This is my favorite deodorant. It like works and it doesn't. Like it works for days when you're not super sweaty, but if I go to work recently, I found on modeling jobs I need to wear real deodorant and at like the gym and stuff, but on like regular days like today it works perfect. Okay, then I got this fit from Alo Yoga. This top, it's supposed to be like a multi-way super long strap top. I'm really not sure how you're supposed to tie it, so I'm gonna have to look online, but I thought it was so cute. I feel like you could also like tie it like this, or tie it on the side or whatever, like tie these little strings like around your waist, or I don't know. I just thought it was so cute. And then the leggings right here, they're just like the 7/8 length. I love them, they're so cute. And then lastly from Alo, I got this little bra top and these sweatpants that have buttons all the way down the side. The bra's a small, the pants are a large. And then I also got these pants also in a size small, and they're like the same thing as the orange, like melon colored ones. They're just obviously not orange. So yeah, that's all I got. So I just had my friend Laura take a photo for me, and I did some work downstairs, and then I edited and posted the pic. And now I'm having a snack. I'm having some carrots, and I made like homemade French onion dip. That's a lie. I didn't make homemade French onion dip. I took a packet of French onion like mix and I put it in Greek yogurt, and that's what I'm eating right now. But it actually came out fire. Oh my god, it's so good. Insane. Good idea. Try it. This is kind of a random salad, but it honestly looks pretty good. Yesterday, Frank and I made homemade chicken tenders. We like breaded the chicken and everything ourselves, all from scratch. I threw it in the air fryer, and then I cut it up and put it on this salad. And I'm excited to eat this. Hi guys, it is the next day. I wanted to end off the vlog here because I didn't end up really finishing off the vlog. But I wanted to say I hope you guys enjoyed this one. This was like the best day ever. It was like so fun to film too. I just went and got, this is the salted cream cold brew from Starbucks. Holy crap, if you haven't tried it, you need to try it. Also, I'm wearing this like outfit from, the sweatshirt is vintage Champion, and it says Newport, which is like where I want to get married. I'm obsessed with Newport, Rhode Island. And then the shorts, let me show you the shorts. And then the shorts are these little mini Champion shorts that I actually got from Urban Outfitters. They're really tiny and cute. I love them. This is like my little morning outfit this morning. And I just went to Starbucks, did a little Starbucks run. Now I'm about to edit this video, do some cleaning around the house before Frankie gets home, and just have a really nice, relaxing, chill day. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed filming it for you guys, and I will see you in the next one.